So this is Ben Kivia, your own friend and brother Benjamin, and I want to help you guys with the assignment. I want to draw it here to help you guys draw it yourselves. Okay, so the assignment starts like this. Coming here is the question. Let me show you the question. So see the first, it says draw a length CD in two desired positions C1 D1 and C2 D2. So that's C1 D1 C2 D2. For the assignment say gave us C1 D1 was already given to us. So this is like C1 D1. Yeah, so it has been given to us already. And yeah, it has been given to us already. And I want to tell you guys something. When I was doing the assignment, I realized that these lengths, you see, the assignment, one of the bars is like this, and then the other is like this. There's a problem here. Now, this thing that you see, right? Wait, sorry. You see, and then they've labeled here A1, and then here B1, and then here was A2, here was B2. So you see, this is the length they have given us. But when I was doing the assignment, I realized that before you can do this, you have to reciprocate these two lines. So what do I mean by that? I mean what? So you have to do something like this. I want to rotate it. So this is what it has to be. Yes, this is the original orientation of the lines. Okay, so I think that is done. Okay, so this is how it has to be, and let me relabel them again. So in the actual question, the lines are upside down. That is the first thing you have to do before you can solve this question. Okay, so this one will be A2, and then this one will be B2. Oh, sorry, B2. Here is A2, and then here is A1, B1. Okay, so when you are solving this question, first of all, you draw a line from weight. So, okay, so you are going to draw a line from, this is a rough sketch. So you're going to draw a line from A1, A2 to A1, and then another line from B2 to B1. Yeah, yeah. So that's what you're going to do. You see, there's a reason why say gave us the you see these numbers here, they are in inches, so you convert them to centimeters. There's a reason why he gave us um like, how do I say it, these dimensions, because these dimensions, after drawing these dimensions, is going to orient the lines in a specific way. So this is a rough sketch, and so it might not like go exactly as planned, but you get the concept. Yes. So there's a reason why they have given us the length from here to here, the length from here to here. So when you draw the length from here to here and the length from here to here, it will automatically show you the orientation, the angle to which these lines are going to be. Okay, so let's go. Wait. That's not part. Yeah. So let's start. And then, yeah. Okay. So after that, now we are going to stand here and then we draw an arc here and then draw an arc here. And then we stand here, we draw an arc here, we draw an arc here, and then we draw a line through it. We are going to do same for this line. You see, you are going to bisect the lines you joined, not the actual dimensions that were given. So I joined A2 to A1. That's the line I'm going to bisect. And I joined B2 to B1. I'm going to bisect that line as well. So I stand here, I make an arc, I make an arc. I stand here, I make an arc, I make an arc. And I'm going to draw a line through it. Sorry for my dimensions, but I hope you got it. Yes. So now I've bisected B2 and B1 and then A2 and A1. So where the two lines meet, let me erase this a little bit. So where the two lines meet, the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors, this place is where we call the rotor pole. Yes, this is the rotor pole. And now after getting the rotor pole, you draw a line. Let me use this gold pen. So after getting the rotor pole, you draw a line from B1 to the rotor pole. This pen is not good. Let me use, let's say, a red pen. So now you draw a line from the rotor pole. Draw a line from the B1 to the rotor pole. After that, you draw another line from B2 to the rotor pole. So now we've joined B1 to the rotor pole and then B2 to the rotor pole. And now we are going to open our compass to any length, any arbitrary length. We stand at the rotor pole and then we make an arc here, we make an arc here. After that, we are going to draw a line to pass through these 2 points. So yes, let me make it a full screen. So you're going to draw a line to pass through these 2 points. Yes. So, and then now, yes, now we are going to bisect this line. This is O4. Don't forget that the O4 is labeled O4. So now we are going to bisect O4 to B2 and then O4 to B1. Don't forget that this line right here, this line this line right here, this line that you see, that's not the perpendicular bisector of this angle, B2 to um, B1. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, so you're not going to bisect again. No, you're not going to bisect because you're not going to bisect because this line here passes through the center of B2 and then B1. So you're going to stand here, open your compass to half the length, and then you take this length as your radius for the circle you are going to draw over here. So you're going to draw a circle over here, and that is going to be where the crank will be. That's where the crank will be, sorry. So the crank would be, let's say, from here to here would be your crank. And then from here, no, if the crank is in this way, that means the coupler should start from here up to here. I hope you got it. Yes. So this is going to be your coupler, and this is going to be your crank, and this from here to here is your rocker. So that's it. You are done. And then you cut these L shapes with your cardboard. Cut these shapes with your cardboard, and then you cut a horizontal um, cardboard for um, the couple, and then also the crank. The width should be like 1 centimeter. It's okay. So that's it. That's it for the construction. Thank you.
Guys, mom, first assignment in any T. Enche. Na ye be twitwa boards no. Nhia bia. Now discover.